Hey guys, and welcome to today's training, which is titled How to Upload Files to Google Drive. As educators, you know that organization is really, really important to being effective at our jobs. What I've noticed in the past is a lot of teachers rely on their flash drives. You know, we're going to more digital content, which is great, but flash drives are kind of a thing of the past. How many times have you either forgotten your flash drive or it has decided to malfunction for whatever reason, and now you're kind of out of luck. You're missing out on all of your lessons. Google Drive kind of eliminates that problem where we can now store all of our files in the cloud. So today's training is going to be a real simple one, focusing on how to take all of those files, all of your lessons throughout the years, and upload them to Google Drive so that you have access to them anywhere. You can log on in any room, anywhere you have internet access and access to your Google Drive. You can now upload, work on, present, or change any of your lessons throughout your time. So let's just get started with the training. First thing you're going to do is open up Google Chrome and access your Google Drive. As you can see here, we go right to our checkerboard here. And click on Google Apps and locate Google Drive. So what you're going to want to do is locate the plus sign up here, which is for any new files or uploads. So we're going to want to go to, first let's go with new folder. Let's create a folder here for some math lessons that we're going to do. I'm currently working on Module 5 in math, so I'm going to put Module 5 math right here. I'm going to create a new folder. As you can see, here it is, an empty folder for Module 5. Now we want to start uploading. Now, if you look at your flash drive, you might have, a couple hundred lessons in there. So we want to try to upload the important lessons that we want, that we feel is still important, and we want to upload them onto Google Drive so I no longer need to use the flash drive. So how to do that? You're going to go to your plus sign here, and now go to folder or file upload. If you have a folder of files and images and whatnot that you want to move all at one time, you can go right to here. If you have an individual file, say one presentation or one worksheet you want to move over, you go to this file upload. But let's go to the folder upload right now. You're going to click on folder. And it's going to show you what is on your computer at that time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check this USB drive. I already have my flash drive installed, and it shows everything that I've been working on for the past couple of years. So we go in here, we go into our Tangier Smith folder, scroll down to math here, and we can scroll down to Module 5. Now I'm going to start right with Lesson 1. So you can click right on the folder here, and you upload the entire folder. So click here, and it's going to say this will upload files from Lesson 1. Only do this if you trust the site. Obviously, you trust your own flash drive, so you can hit upload. In the bottom corner here, it shows 0 out of 5, and very quickly, 5 out of 5 have been uploaded. So you can close this window. Okay, so now that we have uploaded our first lesson, you can see it right here in this folder. It says Lesson 1. So to organize things, we're just going to click and drag, drop it in, and it will convert everything into this folder. So let's just double check to make sure it's there. Open up Mod 5 Math, and there is Lesson 1. Within there, we have all of our folders. So I have my exit tickets, my homework, my lesson icons, and the PowerPoint presentation. So I want to show you one other option. If you prefer to, if you like to do the little drop and drag, as I like to do, we can also do it in this method. So I have my flash drive open in this window. I've just tiled it with my Google Drive window as well. So what you can do is you can now move to, say, Lesson 2. Moving on days, we're going to move Lesson 2 over. You can just drop it over, and it will automatically upload your file as well. So you have two different options to utilize. So here, we want to make sure that all of our information's there, and there is Lesson 2. So this is a great way to just transfer over all of your information. The other nice thing about Google Drive is if you open up the file here and click this tab right here, it says Open with Google Slides. You can open with Google Slides here. It allows you to make any changes to your presentations right on any device. So no longer do you have to worry about, any faulty computer programs, anything crashing and losing your information. It saves automatically. So any changes automatically saved to your Google Drive, which is cloud storage, and you don't have to worry about any issues. So it's a really great method of keeping your lessons organized, streamlined, and you can eliminate your flash drive. So what I want you guys to do today is take some of your lessons on your flash drives and practice converting them over so you can work on multiple folders. You can start, you can organize them by grade level, you can organize them by class, whatever you'd like to do. But you need to start transferring over and see how streamlined and efficient Google Drive can be. So I will present you guys with some questions at the end, and we'll see how it goes. Any questions, please feel free to ask, and good luck.